Public institutions are often perceived as distant and too complex. Could digital tools and artificial intelligence help close that gap? That was the question at the heart of this workshop organised by STOA, the European Parliament's panel for the future of science and technology. The MEP who led the Parliament's work on the AI Act sees these tools as a potential bridge between the EU and its citizens.
Civic AI means using AI to boost the participation possibilities of citizens. This means creating instruments that can be used to gain information about the ideas of the citizens, build proposals, exchange views between the citizens, and getting access to knowledge that is fundamental for them to complement the representative democracy.
A complement, not a substitute, because AI can also pose risks to democracy. Bjorn Bedstedt, co-author of the STOA study on EU and civic engagement, argues that meaningful democratic deliberation still requires human interaction and judgment.
My guess and fear is that a lot of people will just look at it and think, oh, we don't need to invite citizens, we can just make them put things on a platform and AI can make sense of it. Humans should not just have oversight, they should be in the lead. So, I mean, it should be human in the lead and not human in the loop.
The Conference on the Future of Europe is one EU initiative that showed citizens are willing to engage when given the right conditions, and that digital tools can help foster genuine participation. STOA's question is whether digital tools and AI can help to widen and deepen that kind of citizen engagement while keeping people firmly at the centre of democratic decision-making.